Today I will learn myself how to crochet birds. I have this book but I won't follow it step by step. I will use it more as an inspirational tool. This is my first attempt of crocheting a small little bird. Let's start grabbing the materials that I'll need. After that first attempt I realized how bad I was at crocheting small little birds. So that's why I'm doing this. I'll use iron wire to make sure he can stand upright. The first stitches are of course the hardest. I was still debating this project. After 15 minutes of crocheting, I could start seeing ahead in my project. That wasn't the hard part. The hard part still needed to begin. The body. Instead of crocheting in circles like I'm used to, I crocheted in rows. When I was trying to start with the rows, I kept starting with circles instead. After around 15 rounds, I started using white yarn. 5 minutes later, I was only using white yarn. The day after, it was day 2. The strategy of making the bird is splitting the back and the front. This way the front stretches and becomes the form of a bird. Now I'm stitching into the head to make sure I don't lose it. Next evening it was day 3. This day was mostly making back and stitching it. And this is the part where the bird shape comes to life. Now it's time to do some stuffing. This is where day 3 ended. Today I will focus on the tail. The tail is the easiest part of the body in my eyes. This is what I had when the tail was done. It's day 4 and today I'm focused on finishing this project. After the wings it's basically done. Here I'll be stitching the first wing to the body, and then it's only a second one and then the project is done. The small little robin is close to being done. The big thing that I learned from this video is that birds are fun to make, but they can be very time consuming. I made sure that he could stand up. He's done and he's very cute. Suggestions are always welcome, and bye!